Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from androdollar.com. So let's say you have more than one device to charge at home. In this case, rather than buying different adapters and plugging into different wall outlets, why not use one charging station? So that's exactly what I have for you guys here today. So this is a 6-port USB charging station that has fast charging built right into it from Aukey. And in this video, let's go ahead and unbox it and explore it and see if this is something that you should go ahead and pick up for yourself. If you guys are excited for this video, definitely go ahead and share this video and smash that subscribe button if you're new. And let's get started with today's video. Having a look at the box, this is the black color version of this device, so quickly peeling off the plastic and getting into the box. So like I mentioned, this is the 6-port USB charging station from Aukey that has Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 built right in. It first says that this is an Aukey product, and it also has an instruction manual when you open up the box. So keeping that to the side, here we have the main event, and that's the Aukey charge station. On one side we have the charging end where you can go ahead and plug in the power adapter, and on the other side we have all the USB ports that you can use to charge up your devices. It has a pretty simple design to it, so keeping it to the side for now, we also get the power adapter and we also get one micro USB cable that is bundled right inside the box. So that's all for the contents inside the box, and this is the Aukey charge station. So the specialty here is this: you can actually make use of all of these 6 ports to charge any of your devices simultaneously. So at one point you can charge 2 devices using Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 using the orange color USB ports, and the green color USB ports have Aukey's AI charging function built in, so the remaining maximum power will be spread across all the devices that are connected automatically. So rather than going ahead and buying different adapters for different smartphones, I think this is a great way for you to eliminate all of the adapters and just make use of any of the charging cables to charge up your devices. If you're actually interested in picking up this device, I actually picked it up from AliExpress. I'll have a link for that down below in the description, so definitely go ahead and check it out, and let me know what you guys think about this device as well. I think this is a great utility that you should have at home, and maybe one in your travel backpack as well. That's the exact setup that I also have, because every time that I'm on the move, I always carry a fast charger that way, and even my friends can always charge their devices by making use of this. Well guys, with that we come to the end of this video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, definitely go ahead and smash that like button and hit on that subscribe button right now for more awesome tech videos just like this in the future. Follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description, and stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.